Once you've completed your beautiful outline in OmniOutliner, you're going to want to share it. There's a lot of ways you can do that. The first being just sharing the OmniOutliner file. If your friends or colleagues have OmniOutliner on their Mac, iPad, or iPhone, they'll be able to see it just fine. But not everybody does, and maybe you want to share it in a different format. One of the easiest is PDF. To do that, just go to File, Print, and then click the PDF menu and say Save as PDF. I'm going to go ahead and save it to the desktop. I'll call it the Malaria Presentation PDF. After I click Save, you'll see it shows up here on my desktop. I can double click it and it'll open up my outline in preview. That's a great way to share it with people that you don't want to make edits but still need it as a resource. But when it comes to sharing your outlines, that's just the tip of the iceberg. OmniOutliner has an entire list of options under the File menu Export window. And once you open that, you can click on the file format, and you'll see there are many options, starting with comma-separated values, which allows you to export into a spreadsheet, or if you're using the Pro version, directly into Microsoft Excel. You can also save to HTML, and that allows you to publish your OmniOutline to the web. They have the static and dynamic options available to you. You can also export your document to Microsoft Word, either indented or in outline format. I'll go ahead and export this into outline format. So first I'm going to click on Microsoft Word, then I'm going to put it on my desktop and click Save. And you'll see there it is in Microsoft Word. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And it opened up Microsoft Word with my OmniOutliner outline converted to a Microsoft Word outline. Handy. I'll go ahead and delete that, and let's try a few more export options under the File, Export menu. Continuing down the list, I could save it as an OmniOutliner document, or if I have the Pro version, an OmniOutliner template. Templates are great because then you can reuse them later. You can also save to an older format used by OmniOutliner. Saving to OPML is clever. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and once again it's on the desktop. I'll click Save. And now I can import that into a writing application that accepts OPML, like Scrivener. Let's say that I want to take my malaria presentation and turn it into a paper. I've opened Scrivener now. I'm going to go ahead and File and Import. And you can see that the malaria presentation in OPML format is available. I'll go ahead and click it and click Import. And now you can see that Scrivener has turned my OmniOutliner outline into a Scrivener outline for me to go ahead and write my paper. And returning to the Export menu in OmniOutliner, you can see that if all else fails, I can export to text or even rich text with the Pro Edition, which works just about anywhere. One of the best features of OmniOutliner is that it gives you these super powerful tools to make these great outlines and the flexibility to use that data anywhere else on your Mac.